pasot prize distribution ceremony. He is Mr. Munisan Inti, whose late Kadom Rongpipi is forcing parents on this. I would like to request everyone to give a big hand. Team Lahorijan Youth Club is the runners-up of this tournament. And to award this award has been donated. Runners-up, third place, best player of the tournament, man of the match, highest scorer. Prize distribution ceremony hobo. Winner in the memory of late Sarthe Teron. Runners-up in the memory of late Silong Bongrung, to be donated by Sri Babu Bongrung, SGB Bongrung area. Third place in the memory of late Kadom Rongpipi, to be donated by Mr. Mohan Teron. Best player of the tournament in the memory of late Atur Teron, to be donated by Mr. Molen Teron. Man of the match in the memory of late Hemon Teron, to be donated by Mr. Longsing Teron. Highest scorer in the memory of late Langtuk Teron, to be donated by Mr. Jameson Teron. And best goalkeeper of the tournament in the memory of late Am-i Phangchopi, to be donated by Mr. Ajoy Bongrung. We have so many